Everyone thinks the best-selling longboard wheels are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Shark Wheel 72. First up are the Shark Wheel 72 Longboard Cruising Wheels. Priced at $54.10, these wheels caught my eye with their unique wave pattern and impressive 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews. If you want smooth cruising over rough terrain, this is worth a serious look. These wheels are really designed for high performance. The wave pattern not only looks cool but actually helps deflect debris and obstacles, which means you can maintain speed even on bumpy roads. The 72 diameter is perfect for stability, and the hardness of the wheels ensures a comfortable ride while still providing grip. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of getting jolted around on uneven surfaces, these wheels can make a huge difference. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than other options. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your ride and want a product that truly enhances your experience, the investment is absolutely worth it. For casual riders though, this might feel a bit excessive. This is perfect for you if you're an avid longboarder who frequently rides on challenging roads. Skip this one if you're just starting out and looking for something cheaper to begin with. Overall, for the price, it's a solid investment in a smoother ride. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Bigfoot Longboard Wheels. Next, we have the Bigfoot Longboard Wheels at just $24.95. These 76 wheels are rated 4.8 stars based on 804 reviews, and honestly, their size and grip really impressed me. If you want a reliable option that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The offset core design helps you grip through turns while still allowing for controlled slides. This means you can navigate tight corners without feeling like you're going to wipe out. Here's why this matters for you. If you love going fast but hate feeling unsteady, these wheels really help you stay in control. However, some users have noted that they can wear down faster than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're riding aggressively, wheel wear is a normal part of the game. Just be prepared to replace them a bit sooner if you're really pushing those speeds. This is perfect for you if you're a thrill seeker who enjoys carving down hills. Skip this if you're just looking for wheels to cruise leisurely around the park. At this price point, you really can't go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to tackle more than just paved roads. Product number 3, MBS All-Terrain Wheels. Now let's talk about the MBS All-Terrain Longboard Wheels priced at $89.95. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 640 reviews, these wheels are a favorite among adventurous riders. If you want to take your longboard off-road, this is worth a serious look. These wheels stand out with their 100x65 size and 78A hardness, designed specifically for all-terrain riding. They're made from super high-rebound urethane, which provides incredible speed and stability, whether you're riding on pavement or dirt. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to enjoy a smooth ride across various surfaces, these wheels let you do just that without feeling every little bump. Some users did mention that they can be a bit bulky for traditional longboarding. Here's the thing though, if you're looking to expand your riding capabilities, the benefits of these wheels far outweigh the extra size. Just be sure your longboard can handle them. This is ideal for you if you're into mountain boarding or want to explore off the beaten path. Skip these if you only plan on riding in urban areas. They're a bit pricey, but for what you get, they're truly a great investment. Now, if you need something that balances price and performance for everyday cruising, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Orangutan Kaguyama Wheels. Next up, we have the Orangutan Kaguyama 85 Longboard Wheels, retailing for $88. This option boasts a stellar 4.8-star rating from 603 reviews. If you want smooth, fast cruising, this is worth a serious look. These wheels are designed for maximum comfort and speed, with an 85 diameter that makes rolling over obstacles feel like a breeze. Here's why this matters for you. If bumpy roads have been a nightmare, you'll find these wheels glide over cracks and small debris effortlessly, making every ride enjoyable. However, some users pointed out that they can slide a bit too easily for those who prefer a tighter grip. Here's the thing, though, if you're looking for a wheel that lets you carve and slide with ease, this trade-off is worth it. Just keep in mind your riding style. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long-distance rides and want to maintain speed while cruising. Skip this if you're more into aggressive downhill riding. For the performance you get, the value is pretty solid. Finally, if you're after something smaller and made for more casual rides, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, Cloud Ride Cruiser Wheels. Last but not least, we have the Cloud Ride Wheels Cruiser, priced at $44.95. With a 4.8-star rating from 520 reviews, these wheels caught my attention for their balance of price and performance. If you want something that excels in versatility, this is worth a serious look. The square lip design means you get excellent control when cornering, but can still push out for a slide when you want to. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to have fun without worrying about losing grip on bumpy surfaces, these wheels can enhance your riding experience. Some riders have mentioned that they wear down quickly under heavy use. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a wheel that offers a fun ride and you're not too aggressive, this should be just fine for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable all-rounder for cruising and casual riding. Skip this if you're an aggressive rider who needs something more durable. For the price, you get a solid performer that's worth it, especially for beginners. So there you have it. Each of these wheels brings something different to the table, whether it's performance, price, or versatility. To wrap it up, we covered 5 great longboard wheels for bumpy roads. The Shark wheel offers a premium ride, the Bigfoot is budget-friendly, the MBS is all-terrain ready, the Orangutan is all about speed, and the Cloud Ride provides versatility. No matter your style, there's a perfect option here for you.